So today we are in Surrey at this gorgeous home, and in today's video I'm going to be talking you through this outdoor kitchen that we've literally just finished installing. I'm going to be talking about how we built it, all of the materials that we've used, and the whole process from start to finish. So when we arrived at this property, we had literally just a patio here. They've got these gorgeous porcelain slabs here, really beige colours, really nice, and it's set in this just incredible garden that's all been landscaped. You can see they've had the pool that's been put in. They've got a pool house here. You've got your sun lounges down there, all the planting and everything over there. The lawn sweeps all the way down. It's just a gorgeous setting. And this kitchen is just an extension of that. It's absolutely amazing. So the spec on this one was a U-shaped kitchen with a bar area where the friends and the family can sit. So we built this one using concrete blocks. So you come along, you've just got a simple L section like this. We've dropped a section down there for the Monolith Kamado. And so that's just slightly lower, that sits on a shelf there. We've actually rendered this using a sand and cement render as opposed to a monocouche. So the monocouche ones that we normally use are coloured. The customer in this case wanted to use sand and cement so that she could find a colour to paint it, which is what she's done, and it actually matches the patio really well. So you can see you've got the render there. On the worktops for this one, we've gone for a dark polished granite. So this is actually 30mm thick. This is really solid, really chunky. Goes all the way around, and you can see also over here actually this sink here has been undermounted. So a lot of the times we put the sinks on and we set them, it's got a little stainless steel flange around like that and it sits on top, but in this case the sink's been undermounted. This has all been polished and curved, and then you've got the stainless steel tap there. It just looks really cool. So over here, we'll start at this end. This is the Beefeater stainless steel single fridge, glass door, plenty of room in there, keep all your drinks and your food. Again, I just mentioned we've got the sink and the tap there. Underneath here, we've just got a single stainless steel door, and underneath there, that just gives you access to the waste, the water feeds and everything else. Because you've got the pool house behind there, they had water in there, they've got a waste feed, and they've got all the electrics as well, so it's really handy to bring those out through there. Oh, it's worth mentioning also here, this is all oak, by the way. This is sawn oak, this building. With the worktops, we've actually left a 10mm gap between the worktop and the oak there, just to allow it to expand, and we've literally just put a little oak bead on there. So if that oak ever moves against the, it swells and contracts in the heat and the cold, it's not going to push or affect the kitchen at all. Coming along to here, this is a stainless steel pull-out drawer, and that is going to be used purely for waste. So you can get a big bin in there, keep all your rubbish, keep everything nice and tidy. As I mentioned before, we've set this down. This is the Monolith Pro Series Kamado. I have done a video of this. If you want to see more about this, I'll leave a link up there. You can go along, check it out. This is an amazing barbecue. Very versatile. It's charcoal. Lots of different ways of cooking on it. Definitely check that out. So that's what it is there. Everything is stainless steel, black enamel. It is available in like a burgundy colour as well. Coming along to here, this is the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. We do lots of these. This is a fantastic barbecue. It's absolutely huge. It's got 7 burners, really weighty. Everything's 304 stainless steel. It's got a back burner there. It's actually got a smoker tray. I don't talk about this a lot, but it's actually got a little pull-out tray here that you can put flavoured wood chips, so cherry or apple or hickory. You put them in there. It's got its own specific burner, so when you're cooking your meat or veggie or whatever it is in there, your fish, you can light that and it will release all the smoke into there and give it that really smoky flavour. And that literally gives you access to the gas and the electrics for the barbecue. Underneath there, you've got some double drawers as well, just really handy for storage. And then this section over here, this is 900mm wide. It's just a really big, useful island bar section. So preparation space is really key in an outdoor kitchen, and having a big space like that is really handy. You can see we've just used this is about 600 or 700 mil wide, and we've put a 300 mil overhang there so that you can get the bar stools underneath there. You can get 3 people comfortably along here, so your friends can be sat here, you're cooking, and then afterwards you can sit down, have a few drinks, something to eat. So I absolutely love this kitchen. I love the layout of it. I love the way it looks, the colors, the way that it matches the patio, the way that it sits against this oak pool house as well. I think also the customer's talking about at a later date putting some sort of a shelter over here, which would actually be really easy to do. They could fix it to there. You'd only need a post over there and a post over there, and then that will enclose the whole place. You can put heaters in there, lights in it. In fact, I think they've got the electrician coming tomorrow to put so a couple of up-down lighters on there, which will really change it at night time. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We've loved making it. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We try and release one of these at least once a week. We also have YouTube and we have Facebook, so head over there and give us a follow if you want to see what we're up to, you know, most days of the week. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.